Hello, video game kids. We're back here for part two of how to configure and set up the Unity Hub via Amazon Web Services and AppStream 2.0. So once the Unity Hub loads, you will notice that you are inside of the Unity Hub, and you're going to want to get started just by clicking on the Unity ID button in the top right hand corner. All right, so you're going to go ahead and click on that one time, and then you're going to go ahead and sign in. When you get to the sign-in screen, you're going to want to sign in with your Google account, so please select that option. When you do so, you're going to be instructed to insert your login credentials. Once again, be sure to make sure that this is your school login. All right, I do not want you to log in with your home email address. So you're just going to type in your credentials there. You're going to sign in. You're going to have to allow for several Unity permissions. And once you do that, you can validate that you did so correctly by your initials appearing where the little human being was earlier. All right. Once you get in there, you're going to have to activate a new license. So you're going to go ahead and click on that Activate New License tab. We're going to select Unity Plus or Pro, and you have to insert the serial number. All right, so the serial number can be found back in our Google Classroom on our class website, so video game design, and I did post it on the 29th. So you're going to go ahead and copy that code. You're going to paste it in place. I don't have the ability to right click, so I'm just going to hit Control V. And we'll hit done. And once we do that, we now have our license configured within Unity Hub, and we can begin using Unity. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the little back button next to preferences, and we should have access to start a brand new project or utilize any of the pre-made projects and tutorials that exist in here. All right, so depending on what specific project or assignment we're working on, we're going to be able to configure that project and set it up or utilize a project tutorial via this interface. All right, thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please let me know.